Hey guys, it's Jen from iCreateCrafts. Today I'm going to show you a really simple project, how to make one of these. My daughter found this super cute shelf on Etsy, but we didn't want to pay $35 for it. So I said I think we can make this ourselves for under $5. So let's get started. Cut our pieces all to size. You need 4 the same sizes of these, the smaller pieces, and then 1 larger one. And then you just want to assemble it just so you see what it looks like. You want to put this piece in the middle, just to get an idea of what it's going to look like. I have 2 of these stains. I have this Jacobean, which I picked up for $1 at Walmart, or we also have this darker one, which it looks like a Jacobean as well, but it's a little bit darker, and I think I like this darker color better. So we're just going to sand this up quick, make the edges nice and neat. After you sanded your wood really well, the next step is staining your wood. Be sure to get all 6 sides of each piece. We have our wood done. My daughter helped me stain it. I already put the holes in these ones. You want to get this little device. It's called a Kreg. It's pretty awesome. If you're a new woodworker, this would be really great for you. You just purchase it on Amazon. I'll leave the link below. It just makes these, and then you can just put your screws in it in the back, and then you won't even see it when you put it in. So I need to do the rest of these 2 pieces, and these 2 pieces are going to be left out. So you're going to take your little device, you want to put it on the end. You see there's little stoppers here. And you take your clamp and go over it. So then you want to take a drill, and then it comes with this drill bit on it, and then just drill it in, and this comes with the Kreg jig so you don't go too far. And you want to take it off and then do it on the other side. So there's your holes. And you want to make sure you put it on the right side, otherwise you're going to be in trouble. Both pieces done, you only have to do the 2. Next thing you want to do is your clamp comes in handy again. You want to just put these together. Ideally you would like to put glue in here, but for the purpose of the video I'm just going to go. You want to make sure you line up your edges on both sides nice and flat. You want to make sure you get the correct bit for your screws. So I'm using these square head screws. The pocket screws in the back. Now the next part is to secure this on the front. So in order to find where this goes, I'm going to flip it over to the bad side. Make marks at the bottom, make it even at the bottom. And now I know where to drill my holes. And then just do the same on the other side. So I'm going to countersink my holes now. I don't have a countersink, so I'm going to use this big one. I'm just going to go over the hole that I just did and go in a little bit. And then the same on the other 2. Alright, so now that I have my holes pre-drilled, I'm going to put the other good piece in the bottom. I'm just going to take a scrap piece, put it at the top so it can lay on something evenly. Next part is to screw in your screws to the countersink area to secure your shelf piece. I use a speed square to make sure my wood is flush and at the right angle. So here is the little shelf. You can make it whatever size, whatever dimensions you want, but it's nice and even at the back. You can go in if you want to and fill in the spots with some more stain or any spots that you might have missed, but now the next step is to hang it on the wall. Okay, so I have my container of craft stuff, and I have all sorts of sizes of different hangers for these kind of projects. It's kind of nice. I think I got this at the dollar store or Dollar General. It's not too bad, but it comes in different pieces, and I'm just gonna put it on the end here. So here's the finished project. It's pretty plain as you can see it. You can use your Cricut machine if you have one and kind of go around the edges and make it pretty. This is for my daughter. She's just gonna make it look nice. It's gonna go in her room. You can stain it any color. I really liked using the pocket screws. The back part's on, so you can hang it up really easy, stain it any color you want. I think it turned out really well. It's a nice little project, especially for beginners. If you are new at this, I think that was pretty fun. Now my daughter knows how to do it because she's been helping me. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Hey guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. I had fun making it with my daughter. If you're going to create this, what kind of stain would you put on it, and what accents would you put on it as well? Leave a comment below and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.